Hey, in this video, I will learn you how can we set up a rule like COD is hide for a specific country. So first of all, you have to go to the settings and enable the COD for all the things like when you go for the payments, and here you can add the manual payment method with cash on delivery. So it will be displayed for all the countries here under the Shopify payment method. Now you have to go to the install Payfy application where you can click on the create rule. Here you can write a rule like create a multiple rule with the rule set 1. Here you can write the name of the rule hide COD. For example, if you want to go for the hide COD for UAE, then you can simply hide COD for UAE as a rule. Now here it is look like contents, so you have to go for the exact case sensitive or the content. So in my case I just make it like COD here, so I just use contents. Now hide COD and show COD option is there, like whatever the option you are added here, for example any payment method you are added here, it needs to be hide or show based on the condition, whatever the condition is true or false. Okay, so here I set it hide COD when the UAE is there as a country. Okay, so I'm just going to set it as a country here, contains UAE, then it will be hide COD. So that is the thing. So here I just create the rule for that. Okay, now when I'm going for the checkout and see here the COD is there, and now I'm going to United States of Emirates, and here I can set the address and other stuffs and choose the Emirate. Okay, and here you can see after choose the Emirate it will be hide the COD here, and if I choose the United States where I can enter the address, it will be display the COD. Okay, so this is the thing, you can add whatever you want to go for example if you want to go for the COD, just display for the local store, not for the other. For example, if your store is in the United States and you want to go for the COD just for the United States, then you can select here a show, and here you can set like country contents United States. Okay, now COD will be displayed only for the United States and rest of the other it will be hide. So here we can go for the taste that things. Now you can see here under United States is there, so it will be display the COD here, and if I choose any other country, not just the not just the United Emirate or United Kingdom, if you enter address and other stuffs, it will be hide the COD from here. Okay, so that's the thing. If you want to go for the rule based on the country to hide cash on delivery, you can choose with these conditions like hide or show based on the country and contents. Here different options are there, like country contents United States or country does not contains United States, then COD will be show. So that is the option based on your requirement, you can choose that. Even you can add here multiple countries as well, like Vatican City is there, so you can choose multiple countries as well. I hope that works. Let me know if you have any other question. We have a live chat. You can just click on this and go for the live chat with our agent, and they will help you for that. Thank you.